My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware type application called CenterEssence. This CenterEssence is the adware that specifically targets Mac computers. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family of infections. CenterEssence adware, once installed, starts displaying the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not associated with the sites that you actually visit. If this CenterEssence was some way or another injected into your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. So on your Mac computer, check your applications, find this CenterEssence and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.